Hey everybody, today I am working on my chop and drop that I was talking about in the last garden tour. Um, what I'm going to do, I've got leeks here and they are covered in weeds due to excessive rain. So we're going to go ahead and cut this up and get this grass turned into mulch for it. So I'll get started here. This is my rice knife. It's got a serrated blade here. Really deep feathered cuts in it. And just going to go in between the rows here. Cut this junk out. And it cuts off like that. And then I just put it down in the rows to cover everything up. Yeah, so this is after Hurricane Beryl. We are just dealing with cleanup. There's probably about 1.5 million people without power still. And we're just working through it. We got our power back a couple days ago. Till then, we were running on the generator. Kind of a must-have around here. So I'll just keep working here. Don't know how long I should let these leeks go. I'm just keeping an eye on them, seeing if they look ready to me. Yeah, just go ahead and clean this up, and I'll get back to you after. I'm going to keep this as simple as possible on the first run. Just trying to get the bulk of it taken care of. We got some rain coming this afternoon. So probably going to grow back. All right, that's a good first run. And there's the finished product. Now, if you'll excuse me,